5 Natural Remedies to Tighten Open Pores. There is no magic to close open pores. However, it is possible to remove dead skin cells and dirt and make your skin look beautiful with a pack made of natural materials. Would you like to try it too? Closing open pores is a major challenge for both men and women. The open pores are not harmful to the body, but they are not pleasing to look at. However, contrary to our hope, there is actually no therapy that can close the pores. In fact, the Valentin de Benito Rica, doctor of the Spanish dermatologists, in his blog post, although it is possible to clean the appearance of the skin, pores cannot also be closed to open and say. In other words, when we commonly say close pores, we actually mean to clean the pores and make them inconspicuous. How to deal with open pores depends largely on the cause of the open pores. Therefore, depending on what the cause is, the dermatologist will choose the appropriate treatment. Possible causes include the following. Too much sebum. The skin around the pores loses elasticity. Hair follicles get bigger. Tretinoin, chemical peels, anti-androgen drugs. As the beginning and laser treatment, there is much effective treatment in pores of the problem, but it is essential to ask both first dermatologist's judgment. A natural way to tighten pores. However, there are some home remedies that can help clean and obscure open pores. Although lacking in scientific evidence, it has long been used as a companion to skin health. Therefore, there are experiences that clean the skin and remove dead skin cells. Why don't you try incorporating it into your daily skincare and see if it actually works? 1. Cucumber pack. Cucumber is a material often used for beautiful skin. Although lacking in scientific support, it is certainly nutritious and safe to use on the skin. Cucumbers contain antioxidants that soothe rough skin. It is also said to be effective in tightening open pores and making them inconspicuous. Ingredient: 1 cucumber. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. How to make. After peeling the cucumber, put it in a blender and mix. If you don't have a mixer, take it down. Place the cucumber and cornstarch in a container. Mix until a firm paste is formed. Apply in a circular motion on the face after cleansing. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Then apply your moisturizing cream. 2. Almond pack. Nuts contain vitamin E, which is an effective antioxidant for skincare. According to, vitamin E will protect the skin from the damage of sunlight and free radicals. One cause of widening pores is the loss of skin elasticity, so nut therapy can be effective. In addition, it is said to be good as a peeling agent to remove dirt accumulated in pores. Almond powder is great for exfoliating skin and removing dirt from pores. It can be used up to twice a week. Ingredient: 1/3 cup almond, 3 tablespoons of water. How to make. Powder the almonds. Mix with water to make a paste. Apply to your face in a circular motion. Start with your nose and move to your cheeks, forehead, and chin. Let it sit for 20 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat twice a week. 3. Tomato lotion. The nutrients in tomatoes may protect the skin from UV rays. It also has high moisture content and is ideal for moisturizing and softening the skin and cleaning pores. After showering, simply soak homemade tomato juice in cosmetic cotton and apply it to your face. Please continue every night. 4. Whey. There is an experience that whey removes dirt from the skin. A good option to tighten and clean pores. Wash your face before going to bed and apply whey to your face with cosmetic cotton. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. If you don't have whey, you can also use sugar-free drinking yogurt. 5. Banana pack. Ripe bananas are often used in skincare to moisturize and cleanse the skin. Regular use will cleanse the skin and reduce the shine of the skin caused by the widening of pores. Banana is a soft and nutritious material that can be safely used on the skin. Others believe that it also has the effect of making open pores less noticeable. Ingredient: 1 tablespoon banana. 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. How to use. Put banana and lukewarm water in the container. Mix well until it becomes a paste. Apply to the face in a circular motion for peeling. Let it sit for 20 minutes, and then rinse with cold water. What is the key to tightening pores? There is no miracle remedy that can close the pores. Rather, it is impossible to close the pores. What we can do is clean the skin and make the pores as inconspicuous as possible. Try one of the methods introduced here to make your skin look beautiful.